Let me show you how to turn on the E88 and E88 Pro drone, as well as other such similar drones. So first thing first, make sure you actually have the battery inserted in the drone itself. On the back here, this is what the battery looks like. So mine already arrived basically with the battery inside, but maybe yours is taken out. So the way you insert it, simply slide like this with this knob over here and simply slide it inside. So it's actually very stiff, so use some force simply. And actually the first time you start using this drone, actually make sure to charge this. So this is a charging port, and mine basically charges with this cable over here. So insert it, and I have a light over here as well that blinks. So once it stops blinking and it disappears, it's charged. So then simply insert it inside. Okay, and the remote control also has these batteries inside, so they do not come with batteries, so you need to get some batteries and insert here. So then the way we turn it on, we have this like power button over here, and we actually have to first turn on the drone and only then the remote. So make sure the remote is off first. Hold it and it will start to blink like this. So once it stops blinking rapidly but blinks like this slowly, we can actually turn on the remote. So turn it on and it will like beep, and it will stop blinking, and it's paired and it's ready to be used. So if it keeps flashing again, maybe remove the battery, or also make sure it's actually on the complete flat surface as well. So if it's not on flat, it sometimes might actually not turn on properly and sync with this remote. Also, the first time you actually use this, it actually needs to be like basically calibrated, so it actually knows in which position it is. So first leave it on a complete flat surface, do not hold it in hands or place it like this, it has to be completely flat. Then on the remote, simply pull down these levers for like 2 seconds. Okay, as you saw, it made the beep, and once you hear the beep, release, and it also will flash. So let's do it again. Simply hold this till it beeps, release, and it's basically calibrated and you can start flying. If you do not do the calibration, it might actually drift to one side and it will be very hard to control, so make sure to do this. Anyway, good luck.